This is a guided metta or loving kindness meditation. In Pali, the language of the Buddha, the word metta means benevolence, loving kindness, friendliness, active interest in others. This 2000-year-old practice uses certain phrases and images to cultivate a boundless, warm-hearted feeling toward oneself and others. We start by sending loving kindness to ourselves and then gradually include more and more people into our awareness. A friend, a neutral person, somebody we have a challenging relationship with, and finally, all sentient beings. At first, this practice may seem mechanical and even awkward. But as we stay with it longer, we realize that it is a beautiful and powerful way to open our hearts to the world. Take a very comfortable position, sitting or lying down. See if you can gently lengthen your spine. If you are sitting, perhaps you can imagine growing a bit taller through the crown of your head, and at the same time anchor through your sits bones. If you are lying down, wiggle your hips, your upper back, your head. Maybe even walk your shoulders a bit back, settling into this perfect position that feels really relaxing. Relax your face, soft forehead, kind in the eyes. Mouth may be slightly open, jaw relaxed, tongue heavy, resting on the floor of your mouth. Turn your head from side to side or circle it gently a few times to relax the neck. Drop your shoulders, and if you're lying down, sink your shoulder blades a little bit more into the ground. Soften through your hands. Your lower back relaxed. Belly soft. Hips, legs, feet relaxed. Throughout this meditation practice, try not to create any unnecessary tension in your body. Whenever you notice that you are hardening, tensing up, soften, release. Bring your attention to your heart center. You may put a hand or both hands on top of your heart. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat. Connect with it. Gently repeat the following phrases. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe and at ease. May I feel protected from inner and outer harm. May I accept myself just as I am. May I touch deep, natural peace. May I be happy, healthy, and free. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe and at ease. May I feel protected from inner and outer harm. May I accept myself just as I am. May I touch deep, natural peace. May I be happy, healthy, and free. Repeat it over and over again. And as you do, notice any sensations in your body, any emotions, any thoughts that arise. Simply observe. You can use those exact words or change them up a bit. See what works for you. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe and at ease. May I feel protected from inner and outer harm. May I accept myself just as I am. May I touch deep, natural peace. May I be happy, healthy, and free. You can stay with sending loving kindness toward yourself for as long as you like. And when you feel ready to include other people in your practice, think of someone you love a lot, your partner, a friend, or family member. Imagine them and spend some time sending loving kindness to them. You can use this person's name while reciting the following phrases over and over. May he or she be filled with loving kindness. May they be well in body and mind. May they feel safe and at ease. May they feel protected from inner and outer harm. May they touch deep, natural peace. May they be happy, healthy, and free. Now think of a neutral person in your life, a familiar stranger. For example, a bank teller or a cashier at your grocery store. You may not know their name, but you'd recognize them if you met. Send them the same thoughts of loving kindness. May he or she be filled with loving kindness. May they be well in body and mind. May they feel safe and at ease. May they feel protected from inner and outer harm. May they touch deep natural peace. May they be happy, healthy, and free. As you repeat each phrase, open to whatever images and feelings arise with the words. Approach the meditation as an exploration, sensing what words and images best serve to soften and open your heart, and use those. Now think of someone you have a challenging relationship with. Send loving kindness to them. It may be a bit more difficult to do that, and at the beginning, it may not seem very sincere. But stay with that and see how the process unfolds. With consistent practice, you'll notice a change. Sometimes metta practice alone can completely heal a challenging relationship, simply because we become a bit more accepting. Imagine this person and send loving kindness to them. May he or she be filled with loving kindness. May they be well in body and mind. May they feel safe and at ease. May they feel protected from inner and outer harm. May they touch deep, natural peace. May they be happy, healthy, and free. If the words seem mechanical, don't worry. Your heart will still hear them and start opening. What matters most is your sincere intention to awaken loving kindness within yourself. And practice makes perfect. Now think of all the people on the planet. Just like you, they want to feel safe, happy, strong, and live with ease. Think of all the sentient beings in this world. Send loving kindness to all. May we all be filled with loving kindness. May we all be well in body and mind. May we all feel safe and at ease. May we feel protected from inner and outer harm. May we all touch deep, natural peace. May we all be happy, healthy, and free. As you end your meditation, sit quietly for a few moments and notice the sensations in your body and around your heart. Is there a new sense of spaciousness, maybe tenderness? Is there a softness that you haven't noticed before? It's okay if you don't see any difference. If you stay with this practice for a few weeks, transformation is inevitable and you will notice. When you feel ready, gently come back to this moment and open your eyes. Take your time. There is no rush.